E-commerce companies and their logistic arms are trying to find greener way to handle all the plastic and discarded packaging from our online purchases. Alibaba's delivery service firm 菜鸟果果 is now offering some online sellers packaging that don't have to be sealed with plastic tape and holding cardboard collections at 315 delivery stations across the country.
This station handles around 1,000 parcels every day and can recycle over 150 cardboard boxes. All the boxes collected will be reused when residents in the community come to send their parcels.
And the community is happy to support the effort.
It seems a waste to throw away packaging. Reusing it is a good idea.
It's good for the environment. It needs to be long-term.
Consumers and companies should all become more eco-conscious. Those cardboard boxes should not be wasted after being used only once.
In addition to logistics companies, consumer goods providers are also coming up with new eco-friendly approaches. Drinks provider Nestle has joined other companies in using sustainable packaging, saying all the materials it uses will be fully recyclable by 2025.
It's also very important for us to lead in the area of how we look after the planet, how we look after our communities, and how we look after our consumers, so that consumers can have our product and not worry about not only the quality, but what it will do to the planet, so that we leave it for future generations.
Other than the coffee brand, big names including Microsoft and Coca-Cola have also announced that they will start using sustainable packaging for their products, and the beverage maker is also partnering with some local communities on plastic bottle collection. In Money Talks,